Welcome back. It's time for our week 10/11 update. We got 2 weeks of market action to catch you up on. So let's go ahead and get right into the numbers here. So before we break down each engine, here is the total of the three engines. So you'll see the portfolio is now sitting at 52.6203. That's combined. And that's up from 47.5154 2 weeks ago. So let's break down where that's coming from engine by engine. But before we do that, quick disclaimer, go ahead and pause this and read this. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is just for entertainment purposes only. I'm just sharing my own journey here for about a year and hopefully further. Just might switch up how we use those engines. All right, so just a quick refresher for anyone new. So I split up the contributions across these three engines: a growth engine, income engine, and the safety net. So the growth is going to be for long-term appreciation. Income is for compounding dividends, and the safety net's just to hold steady when things get choppy in the market. And so let's take a look at how each one has performed. So see here the current scoreboard here. The first one up is the growth engine. This one holds VGT, VXUS, and VTI. So 2 weeks ago, this one was sitting at 1599.65. And after the last 14 days of market action and the steady contributions, we're currently sitting at $1,779.57. So bringing our total all-time gain to $92.91, or about 5.51%. Then you have the income engine here with AIPI, JEPQ, and ROCQ. And last time we checked on this one about 2 weeks ago, it was 1593.46. And this is the engine that's fueled by the compounding snowball from these ETFs here. So when those dividends pay out, I automatically just rebuy more of those shares. So right now it's hitting about $1,772.94, putting us at $86.36, or 5.12% all time. And then last year we had the safety net with USHY, IBHF, and SCHD. It's kind of just a rock solid safety net. So it did exactly what it's designed to do during the last red week by holding the line. So today, this one's sitting at $1,709.52. And that's up just, well, not just, but $22.86 all time. All right, so I kind of want to just go into the Robinhood account itself and just kind of show you around on how I'm doing things. So actually, my internet's really slow, so I'll make this kind of quick. So you see up top here, I have the growth engine, income engine, and the safety net, and a joint account we're not covering here. But so it's kind of lagging. It's not really showing here, but it does show, let's see, the weekly buys. So you'll see the next weekly buys for VTI, VXUS, and VGT will be $10. And that's automatic every Tuesday. We do the same in the income engine with all three of those, ROCQ, JEPQ, and AIPI, and as well with the safety net. So you'll see that every Tuesday, that $10 will automatically buy each one of these ETFs, as well as whatever money I make from DoorDash. So I was DoorDashing a little yesterday, and I'm going to try to DoorDash some more tonight to get some money to contribute more on Tuesday to continue to add to this to help build that every day is Saturday feeling. So sorry I couldn't really show my account here, but kind of get the point of that. Let me go back here. All right. Well, sorry about that. So let's take a look at the net performance here. So this would be stripping out all the contributions to see kind of where the real market growth is. So now the number that really matters is how much of this growth came from the market versus my own money. Of course, adding our own money makes a difference. You want to continue to add money as much as you can. So over the last 2 weeks, we added about $420 total across all three engines. So $180 in Auto Invest and $240 from DoorDash earnings. But once we strip that out, here's the real story. So the growth engine, you'll see here, posted $39.92 in pure market gains, and that was in about 2 weeks. The income engine wasn't far behind with $39.48. It's really close, actually. And the safety net, true to its name, added a modest but steady $11.09. That's still in the positive, so I'm happy about that. doing exactly what that's supposed to do as well. So it's not losing ground while the other two are doing all the heavy lifting. So all told, that's $90.49 in actual organic growth in 2 weeks. So on top of the money that we put in ourselves, it's just slow, steady, and compounding. This is exactly what I was kind of hoping to see. I mean, of course, I want to see it grow more, but as the market's been going up and down, it still has been staying in the positive. So hopefully, throughout this year, it's going to continue to grow and just shoot on up higher. All right. So remember, anybody could do this. Just start with a little bit, but the important thing is to just get started. Want to make sure that you're investing if you feel comfortable with it. If you need to, seek a financial advisor. But for me, it's fun. Trying to do it as safely as possible. Of course, the market's going to do whatever the market does. So it's really a lot of fun once you start getting into it. And then just kind of contributing as much money as I can. Of course, I want to do some more things when I'm not too busy. And there's a lot of things that I want to sell. I want to have some yard sales and sell some stuff. And I do want to do some more DoorDash, but I've been kind of busy with work. So I haven't really gotten into that yet. But I will continue to just keep adding those automatic deposits. And I will continue to make as much as I can in DoorDash and contribute that. And anywhere else I can earn some money. All right, so that's the week 10/11 update. So once again, it's just slow and steady wins the race. The three engines, three strategies, just all moving in the right direction. So if you're new here, please hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And I'll see you in about a week or so. Thank you.